Tomorrow is Raksha Bandhan, so today's video is dedicated to those of you who have sent me this question. I don't get along with my brother or my sister, and I want to have a great Raksha Bandhan tomorrow, but I don't know how to manifest that relationship back in my life. Or in some cases, you've been fighting with your brother or your sister, and you want to now make sure that you have a good relationship with them tomorrow and you have a good day on Raksha Bandhan. How do you manifest that? Let's begin understanding that now. The first thing we do is take a seat, hands on your heart, close your eyes, and say these 4 statements with your brother or your sister's name. And the statements are Ho'oponopono statements, which is, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Sit at one place, take your brother or sister's name, and say this particular 4 statements at least 11 times. Now, when you're saying it one round, it means I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you is one round. This you have to do 11 times by sitting at one place, relax your state of mind, hands on your heart, close your eyes, take their name and say it 11 times. After that, don't open your eyes. After you've said it 11 times, now keep your eyes closed and visualize that today is Raksha Bandhan. You have already completed that experience of Raksha Bandhan, whether it is tying that Rakhi to somebody or having that person tie that Rakhi to you. Both ways, experience it and experience that you had food together and experience that experience of going through that Raksha Bandhan experience and giving money to your sister or receiving money from your brother. Experience it. Say thank you to the universe. Open your eyes and now let's get ready for that relationship. Because the second step is equally important. Take a notepad and write down, I love my brother, my sister, and write their name. Write down 10 times, I love him, I love her. After you've done this second step, now the final step is very important. Send a message to that brother or your sister right now on WhatsApp. Tell your brother, tell your sister, I love you, I miss you, I want to meet you tomorrow for Raksha Bandhan, and I want to make sure that we have the best Raksha Bandhan ever. Do these 3 steps in this exact same sequence, and you'll realize that the frequency at which you vibrate and in the way you invite them for the Raksha Bandhan is very different from the normal way that you do it. Why? Let me explain. The first step, when you do Ho'oponopono, which means you say 11 times, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. In your heart, you're not only asking for forgiveness, you're also apologizing and you're forgiving the person also for any misdoings that have happened or any wrong things that have happened between you and that person's relationship. You're also saying thank you and you're saying I love you. This is releasing any negative energy between you and that person at an energetic level, which is more important than at a physical level. Doesn't it happen sometimes that physically it feels like everything is fine, but at an energy level, you know something is wrong between you and that person. That is why Ho'oponopono is very important. Second step, in your mind, visualizing that the Raksha Bandhan experience is complete is very important because we visualize first, we create that manifestation first, and then take action towards it. Second step, we are writing down I love you with that person's name in the notepad 10 times to create compassion, to create that frequency of love. And third step, action. Now you're taking the action of sending a message. And the reason I said message, not phone, because when you call the person sometimes, your brother or your sister might react positively or negatively. You don't know. But that reaction is a reaction because they are also not thinking in the moment. But when you send a message, they have the time to think about it. And that is why I want you to send a WhatsApp message, not just a phone call. Make sense? So please do this. Do these 3 steps. Follow that. And tomorrow, when you have an amazing Raksha Bandhan, which I know you will, tell me how your experience was. Come back in the comment section and let me know about it. I would love to read about it, about your experience with Raksha Bandhan using these 3 steps of manifestation. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for taking action, for creating the best Raksha Bandhan ever. Congratulations in advance, and I'll see you soon in the next video.